Hello, welcome to RapzWorldWide software, and this is the full specification of Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell next to it for more updates. Please note that this is not a paid promotional video. This video was made to show a viewer the specifications of this device, not to influence a viewer to purchase. RapzWorldWide software is not responsible for any decision taken by a viewer.
Voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my nightlife. Wanna be high life. I feel so reckless, calling them all night. I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well and still I'm that. It's the only thing that I fucking do. Smiling depression, they think I'm alright. I'm calling. It's the freedom I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well and still
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates.